students, in our last video we discussed about the properties of rational numbers, closure, commutative, associative, additive identity. These all properties we have discussed in our previous video. Now today we are going to solve some exercises based on these properties. So it is exercise 1D. Okay. So question number 1 is A minus 7 by 8 into 11 upon 15 is equal to 11 upon 15 into minus 7 by 8. So I told you one property that A plus B is A into B or is equal to B into A. So that will remain same. Which property it is? It is closure. Commutative. Commutative property. Okay. Question B, you can see 6 into 7 into 7 by 6. 6 into 7 into 7 by 6. So it is multiplication of its additive, its reciprocal. The answer will be same. B is reciprocal. You need not to write that in copy. You can solve only in the book itself. Minus 1 by 8 plus 1 by 8. It's additive inverse property. Question number D. Minus 21 upon 29 plus 6 by 19 is equal to 6 by 19 plus minus 21 upon 29. So it is also commutative property. Okay. So B, you can see B is multiplicative inverse. C is additive inverse. D again commutative. Property. Okay. E minus 23 by 70 into 1. Property of 1. As I told you, property of 1 is also called as multiplicative identity. Multiplicative identity. F 5 by 8 into 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3. 5 by 8 into 1 by 2 minus 5 by 8 into 1 by 3. So it is distributive property. Distributive property over subtraction. Okay. If it is 5 by 8 into 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3, then if there was plus, so you can write over addition. It is given minus now, so that is why I write distributive property over subtraction. G, you can see G. Only you have to write the name of the property used in the given statement. 1 by 2 into 1 by 3 into 1 by 5. 1 by 2 into 1 by 3 into 1 by associative property or multiplication. Associative property. Multiplication. Okay. H 1 by 2 into 1 by 3 into 1 by 5, 1 by 2 into 1 by 3 into 1 by 5. So that is also the same. Okay. So these are all the properties which are used in the question number 1. You have to mention which properties are used. Okay. Now the second question is verify the following and state the property used. So let us see that we have to do a little bit. We have to solve and we have to find the answer. Hope that you are utilizing your time at home and solving the questions given, whatever is given for homework. You are solving it by self. And if there is any question, you can ask me in doubt through WhatsApp. WhatsApp numbers are circulated, given to you. There's a group also. So you can share your doubts in WhatsApp. Timing will be allotted. According to the time you have to share it, you have to get it clarified. So we are going to do question number 2 here. Verify the following and state the property used. So A we can solve 17 upon 135 into 15 upon minus 51 is equal to 15 upon minus 51 into 17 upon 135. So you can see there are two parts, your left hand side and right hand side. So let us solve the LHS, left hand side first. 17 upon 135 into 15 upon minus 51. 17 3s are 51 and 15 9s are. So you can see the answer is 1 by 27. Now solve RHS. It is 15 upon minus 51 into 17 upon 135. 15 9s are 135, 71 is 17, 17 3s are. Again you will get minus 1 by 27. So we can see LHS is equal to RHS. Property used, it is commutative property of multiplication. Proved. Okay. So this way you have to solve. You have to verify. You have to clear it. So by taking LHS and RHS, you have to solve the equations given and you have to write the name of the property used. So it is commutative property. Commutative property means A into B is equal to B into A. A into B is equal to B into A. It means if you write the numbers in any way, the answer or product will be same of multiplication. Okay, commutative property of multiplication. So hope you have understood this question. The next question, I have solved A part. Now C part, you can see question number 2, C. Minus 1 by 2 plus 3 by 7 plus minus 4 by 3 is equal to minus 1 by 2 plus 3 by 7 plus minus 4 by 3. You have to solve it, you have to find the answer. So this property is known as, can you tell me? It is associative property. Okay. So let us see LHS. Let us take LHS first. Minus 1 by 2 plus 3 by 7 plus minus 4 by 3. So whatever is given in the bracket we have to solve first. We have to take LCM. So 14 will be the LCM. Okay. So here minus 7 plus 6 upon 14 plus minus 4 by 3. Okay. So minus 7 minus plus 6. So minus 1 by 14 minus 4 by 3, both are in minus. So 14 and 3 LCM will take, 42 will get minus 3 minus 14. I'm solving it directly. Minus 4 3 12 upon 42. 12 and 14 minus 26 upon 42. You can cancel it by 2. 13 upon 21 is equal to minus 13 upon 21. So it is our LHS. Let us take RHS. RHS is equal to 1 by 2. RHS is equal to minus 1 by 2. Okay. Plus 3 by 7 minus plus minus 4 by 3, so minus 4 by 3. Okay. So minus 1 by 2 plus, here you have to take LCM. So 3 3 is 9 minus 28 upon 21. So when you will solve, you will get minus 1 by 2 minus 19 upon 21. So LCM when you will take, you will get 42. So minus 42 minus 38. Okay. Minus 42 minus and into the 21. Okay. Okay, minus 38 upon 42. Minus minus plus is equal to 59 upon 42. So you can say it is associative property but not LHS is not equal to RHS. So it is not commutative. Okay? It is not associative. Not associative. Answer is, it is verified. It is not equal to. Okay? Solve other questions given in the book and try it by self. We will be solving the other questions in our next video. Question number, I am giving homework. Question number 1, all write in CW, copy. Question number 2, 1, 3 or wait, A, C, E and G part in classwork and copy. And question number 2 का B, D, F and H homework copy. Try to solve. If there is any problem, you can ask me in your through WhatsApp or the comment section. Thank you.